I'm excited about the upcoming school year and all the resources that are available for instructional planning and for making sure that all instruction is student-centered and that students are engaged in the instruction. So today we're going to look at planning a sixth grade math lesson. We're going to first look at all the resources that are available, and then we'll look at a sample lesson to see the parts that must be included. So as I'm sitting and looking, I'm thinking about all the resources that have been shared with me from Cumberland County Schools. So first, I know I need to go to the CCS homepage. And from here, I can scroll down towards the bottom. When I get to the bottom, I'm going to click on the CNI site. Here, the CNI Google site. So to access the site, I have to have my Cumberland County Schools login information. So I'm going to sign in through Cumberland County Schools, and I'm going to sign in just as if I were signing in to my email. Okay, great. So I'm in the CNI site. I teach secondary mathematics, which is, teach sixth grade, so that's secondary education. So I'm going to click on education, secondary education on the left-hand side. And then once I scroll down, I will find my curriculum area, which is mathematics. So one of the most important pieces here is this left-hand side, where you'll find everything that you need to navigate to. So for sixth grade documents, I'm going to click on that actual phrase, sixth grade documents. Great. I'm able to see the curriculum at a glance. This is the pacing guide for the entire school year. So I know as a teacher, this is before school starts. I know that the first week I'm going to use that for the pre-assessment and or any basic skills review that I know they need for number sense. Also, I'm looking to see, I can see here that after I do my pre-assessment and my skills review, then the first standard that I'll actually have instruction on is going to be 6NS2. And everything that this standard encompasses should take about 2 weeks for the students. After that, I will progress to 6NS3. The material for that standard will take about 2 weeks as well. And then 6NS4 and 6NS1 will be taught in that order, and 6NS4 and 1 will take about 2 weeks as well. To finish up the first quarter, the last 2 weeks will be dedicated to 6NS5, 6NS6A, and 6NS7A, B, and C, and D. Okay, great. So again, I'm teaching in the first quarter. These again are just the listing of the standards in the order in which they are taught and the amount of time it should take for the instruction in these particular standards. I'm going back over here to this left-hand navigation bar, and again, I'm planning for my first quarter. So I'm going to click on first quarter. And here are the standards that are listed. We saw first that 6NS2 was there first. Based on data from the previous school year from our cumulative benchmark, I want us to look at 6NS1. So I am going to click the link here for 6NS1. And a separate document for this standard downloads. And so in order to access that document, you will need to open it, either by right-clicking and clicking open, or just by left-clicking on the tab there.